Right, welcome to Big Perm Customs and our new kind of segment on us doing customer cars that come into the shop on a regular, and they're all cool, and we thought, you know what, we're going to bring them into a bit of video and give you an insight of the owners of the cars that we work on. And Paul has an E55 AMG, the supercharged one, the compressor. What is it, like 600 brake? How much power?
Last dyno was 545 without the map. With the map it's over 600. So we dyno it too. Yeah, a nice dyno coming soon now.
And he is genuinely not afraid to use it at all. I mean, like, he drives it every day. You drive it every day, don't you? Yeah. Every day. It's not like sort of one of those cars that's put into the garage and driven on the weekend. It's used, which we love. Because I use my cars that you see on the pictures on Instagram and Facebook every day. I mean, that's why we build and we use these things. We use them, and Paul's is very much that. So I'm going to pass you over to Paul. He's going to give you a bit of info, how long you've had it and bits and pieces. Here we are.
Yeah, thank you. I think, I bought the car 3 years ago. I had a choice of 3 cars actually. It was the Chrysler 300C or the Passat W8, believe it or not. Drove all 3 cars and the 55 was just insane.
This is insane.
Yeah, I bet you could.
Yeah.
Passat was shit, bro.
Yeah.
The Passat, it's cool.
Yeah. The idea behind it was good, but it wasn't enough power. No. I think it was a 270 brake, something like that. It boiled down to the 55. I brought it back and straight away we'd done a decat straight away with an X pipe. Back boxes were already off, so I just removed everything else basically. It's actually running cleaner without the cats, which is surprising. But the car itself is just, it's surpassed any idea I had of this car. It's just...
They know the bay was suicide. Too deep when I ride. Ruby getting out for the pills that I supply. The screws are bound, flat tires in a 06 Chevy. Looking like I'm Bloody Mary, sipping codeine and berry. I'm down to doggo when I smoke up and I'm creeping like Frank. Raising that chopper right at your face, and after that I can blank. Just looking at off the hinges with some ridges shooting up my minds. Rather be left alone, I don't care to know your name.
It's wonderful. For me, it's not everyone's car.
Like, people forget that the headline figures and that sort of thing. I mean, like they only look like 550 brake and that's flat out. But you have a supercharged 5.5 litre V8. It's got everything in between, isn't it? Also, it has been decatted. So
What?
How about that? Isn't that amazing?
for you environmentalists out there.
How about that? That's good, huh?
he not killing the ozone. but yeah, man, and he but yeah, I mean, not only does he kill the ozone with no catalytic converters, he also does it by burning tires. But yeah, no. Paul's a great example of like what we're all about here, and to have these things every day, to modify them, to use them. I mean, like you take your kids to school every day, don't you?
Every day.
Every day. And I mean, what's petrol like?
On idle, it's 4.9 mpg. But actually, the best I've got around town is 17, actually 19. Stop start, yeah. Motorway cruising is around 30 sometimes. You find with this car, it's when the supercharger bangs in about 1800 RPM. In fact, you get all your torque, all your power at 18 RPM. And everything just refines, and it's the torque that helps, you know.